All right, here we go.
Much better. See, doesn't even hurt.
Welcome back to our channel, Hume's Little Homestead. I am going to be trimming these chicken turps. I made the decision I would like them to fit properly in the boxes. I found this Halloween bucket and it looks actually really cute. And it's perfect for them, and I think it'll keep mice from crawling in. I don't know, mice are kind of... I actually haven't had any problems with mice, knock on wood, but I think that is a good idea because the sides are slippery. Good job. So, I'm cutting it over this bucket. I don't know if this is a good idea. I just wanted it to fit in properly. Really, really hard to cut.
I thought you will not cut it.
You told me not to cut it?
Uh-huh.
Well, I wanted to fit in there properly. There. That way they cannot eat that. Ooh. I don't know if I like my decision.
Yes, you.
You like my decision?
Yes. It's
Okay.
perfect.
It does fit better. And it looks better. It does look better. Alright. Maybe I just need to do it this way so I can make sure and get a perfect line. I mean, not perfect, but I'll go straight across. When it's bending up, I'll just go straight across. Oh yeah, much easier that way. Oh my goodness.
Yep.
If you're cutting it, cut it upside down ways. Trimming it. I may have trimmed this one too much. I don't know. We'll see. Oh, this is nice because I can even turn it around and I know which line I'm going on. Okay, so much easier cutting it that way. Just put it back in the way it was in. We are deworming our animals. All right, put your head in. We have Safeguard Goat Dewormer. Okay,
Let's stick them with here. Okay.
This is not Cheeto Puffs treats. Not ready? I got her waiting for a treat. Those are hard to use a little bit. Oh, we should probably put a lid on that so it doesn't spill over.
Get this out first.
Alright. Nice. That wasn't as perfect as I was going to be. Good girl. Good girl. I know what's doing.
The things she gets excited over and the things I get excited over are far different.
Well, so you. Number 1. Who's next? Who wants a treat next? Fancy?
Here's your one chance, Fancy.
Fancy first. Okay, I believe they're only like 25. They're pretty light.
Okay. Get. She's running away from me, guys.
Okay, new pipette.
I got one.
Oh. That's what you were saying. You're down, Fancy. I'm gonna put Felicity away. Here. Come here.
Oh, sorry, guys.
Something else.
0.6 in this one?
Yeah, it is 0.6. Let me give her a treat so she thinks she's getting a treat. Put Fancy in there.
Oh, you put her in there with Miles? Yeah, you always bite me.
Wait, let me cover her up. Oh my gosh, she's not the best listener.
Okay, we got it. One-man operation.
He is only getting alfalfa pellets because he can get a UTI. So I'm picking it out. So I've got corn, dairy feed. Felicity and Fancy can both get dairy feed because even though Fancy isn't getting milked, I like to feed it to prepare their bodies for pregnancy. Almost like a prenatal vitamin. This little guy's mouthy. All right, now let's do the horse.
Oh my gosh. Sorry, this one's getting your worms.
Oh, let those there. Let those guys out. Out. Actually, I should put all the goats in there so they don't freak out Annie.
They won't freak out any.
Okay. We are using this to worm Annie. And I'll hold her head while you
Sure.
administer a little more. Good. I'm scared now.
Why?
How do you do it? Oh, it's jelly?
Yeah. Come here, girl.
What do you think?
Good old ivermectin. Oh, Donald J. Trump knows about this.
What?
Cures COVID.
Really?
Yeah.
I stay out of the news and everything, so. All right. Should we give her an apple treat?
Smells.
Ferb. Okay. We had a request or a suggestion. We had a suggestion to put tennis balls on all the T-posts. So I had tennis balls in the Amazon cart, but Ryan found these instead. They're 4 T-posts, and yeah, so I thought that was a good suggestion because I too do not want her to get hurt on the T-post. So we're gonna put these on our T-post now. Didn't even know these existed. Good find, Ryan. Gonna let her go?
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
Much better. See, doesn't even hurt.
And here is what brings Ryan joy and excitement.
1977 Gremlin.
He's pretty excited with what he found. And I guess he's been looking for one for a long time. Grooming the dogs. This is Tito, and we're going to shave him. You don't want me to brush him first?
It's not going to shave hardly anything because we've been doing it so often. It's barely going to take any off.
I know. I'm just going to brush him real fast and chat with the viewers.
Miles, you're going to reset our code, dude.
You want to say hi? You can set him on your lap so he can say
Come
hi.
here. Want to say hi to the camera?
Look at Tito just licked in my mouth. You need to be worms too.
Can you say hi?
Hi.
Oh, good foxtail. Uh-oh. Don't want that to fall off. Shave that dog bald.
You have that ugly bald spot. Do you groom your dogs yourself? We're learning, guys. We're learning. Thankfully, the dogs are patient with us.
Look at Miles is learning to call the dogs.
Run free, puppies! Woo! So funny after they bath. Run, 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 run. Can you shut my door, Haley?
I think it's to dry.
Quick.
I think it's to dry themselves off a little more.
They run so fast when they're clean. So, why is the house still so messy?
Mom, it's kind of like.
And that does it for today's vlog. Where did Tito go? Let's see.
Hi.
Tito.
Tito.
Come here. Oh, they're so cute. She's white again. I think we're going to go a little shorter next time. I found like 4 or 5 foxtails during her bath. So, Tito.
He's eating.
What is he eating?
He took my sandwich.
Bye.
He took my sandwich.
Bye.
Bye.